Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Ford remote key. So we'll get straight into it. It's not a bad one to do this. First of all, we need to press in this button here. So we press in that, and as you can see, the emergency key comes out. Should this remote fail, that's the access with your emergency key. Normally located near side door handle, under a cap, but check on the model because it varies from model to model. So that's your emergency access key. Okay, on this one, not a bad one to do. We're going to be removing the rear panel here. So if we just go in with a small screwdriver on an angle here in this indentation, and as you can see, that just releases the back half. And then if we just give it a little pull, it is tight coming off, but it does snap off into place. But just be careful because it is plastic, depending on the temperature of where you're working with it. So we'll pop that down for a moment, and this reveals your battery. Your battery is placed in positive side up, negative side down. So there is a little indentation here, so if you just go in there, and that releases your battery up. Pop that down a minute. That's a CR2450 is what you're going to need, a CR2450. That's the negative side with the domed edge. Positive side's always a smooth edge. Okay, I'm just going to get the new battery. Here's one I've taken out of the packet earlier, and it's a CR2450. So we're going back in, and we're just going to place it in that end first, and just carefully that clips into place. Get the rear of the key and just offer that up nice and so it's all square. Clip that back into place. Get your emergency key, which will only go in one way. Pop that in, and that's your Ford remote key with the battery changed. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like, thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.